Good afternoon, and thank you again for your interest in another of Enigma's online advertisements. For those, again, who aren't aware, Enigma International Resourcing is a recruitment company, and we specialise in placing mid to senior level management people all over the world. Our markets are fairly broad, and you can get a good idea of those by looking at our website, and rather than boring you with that now. We've started adding these links to our ads with the goal of providing additional detail about the jobs that we are posting. As you're no doubt aware, job descriptions and online ads in general can be annoyingly lacking in detail, and even if they do have a lot of information, is often not really the important stuff that the employer must have from the applicant. So our ads are really just trying to provide you with a little bit more detail and some of the nitty-gritty that might help you making a more effective application for this particular position. What we have here is a general manager from within the manufacturing sector, manufacturing and distribution more specifically. They import a number of products into Papua New Guinea, are agents for a number of different brands, but also have a manufacturing operation in Lae. It's part of a larger group with head office in Singapore, and they have representation right across Asia Pacific and more recently into the Americas and also parts of Europe. So a growing group broadly in the consumer goods product distribution business, but also with this this manufacturing operation in Papua New Guinea. The factory in Lae has been there for quite some time. It's a good operation, has about approximately, across the business in New Guinea, approximately 200 staff. It needs someone who has a strong operations and production background. We're going to be looking for that ideally, I think, rather than from a sales or finance background. They do have a sales team in place who do a good job, and really we see the needs on the factory floor, leading that team, making sure standards are adhered to and production targets are being met. Some of the challenges for the role, as you can imagine, leading a team in New Guinea, sourcing staff, training and mentoring those staff, managing your turnover, ensuring they're getting the work done at the levels that you need them to get it done and to meet the needs of the business. That fundamentally is the biggest challenge in New Guinea. So whilst we don't necessarily have to have someone who has experience in that region, certainly managing staff from diverse backgrounds would be advantageous, and we're happy to talk to you more about that and how it might be applicable to this job. The other challenges that might be there would be, this is a Lae-based business, so living and working in Lae. It's a residential status position, so you would be provided accommodation vehicle, flights home, and some of the other expatriate benefits. But really, Lae is the second largest town in Papua New Guinea, and it's quite a unique place. It's not everyone's type of place, but a lot of people love it. So we're looking for someone who's going to be making a true commitment to that. We're looking for someone who's certainly going to be seeing out, a number of years there, ideally. So we expect you to think long and hard about that before you make an application. Longevity and reliability are going to be very important factors of this successful applicant. There are enormous opportunities within the group. As I said before, they do have some strong growth aspects happening at the moment in other parts of their business. So your success running this and building the business in New Guinea would bode well for your future within the group. In general, I think we're really looking for a senior operations manager, perhaps even someone who's been an ops manager who is looking to take that next step and look for some overall leadership experience to take the step up to a general manager or even a GM of a smaller operation. It's a very good role for the right person, and it just does need that somebody who's prepared to be hands-on, get out there, talk to their staff, have a look at what they're doing, have a look at the equipment, make sure everything, standards are in place, maintenance and engineering is being adhered to, and that's the real type of role this one is. That's the fundamentals of this position as general manager with our clients. As I say, good job for the right person. So if you're eager to commit to this position, send your application to the website or to the email below, or my number is there if you wish to talk further about it. There's obviously some additional detail in the written ad here on SIG. So we look forward to receiving your application for this role of GM with our client, and happy to talk to you further about it. Bye for now.